As we complete a year of Israel's war on the people of Gaza, we honor the 42,000 lives lost, overwhelmingly women and children. Pakistan remains deeply concerned about the starvation and genocide of the people of Gaza. The past year has seen Israel's indiscriminate and horrifying attacks on civilian targets, including hospitals, schools, and shelters. This week, Israeli forces conducted airstrikes on Khalifa bin Zayed School in northern Gaza, the mosque in Deir al-Balah in central Gaza, and the refugee camps in Jalabia and Tulkaram. These attacks, which claimed the lives of innocent civilians, including children and women, represent egregious war crimes being committed by Israeli occupation forces with impunity. As we reflect on the last year of the conflict, we call upon the UN Security Council to act decisively and impose an immediate and permanent ceasefire protecting the people of Gaza. Israel shall be held accountable for its war crimes and crimes against humanity.